In this video I will show you how to implement internal CSS. Last time I showed you how to use inline CSS. This time I will show you how to use internal CSS. I'll dive right away. Those who have not yet subscribed, head on to YouTube and subscribe before, and we keep moving. So I'll head right away without wasting time okay, in internal CSS, right? I'll open this with code, and then I will create an index HTML file. And then I will develop an HTML structure. That is, we use our shortcut Shift and 1. We press enter to get the HTML structure. So how do we write the internal CSS? Internal CSS, we write our CSS in our head. We've got this head, and we head onto here and we write style, and then everything, all the CSS will be within these two, between these. So I will begin with a p tag. I will say lorem 100, and I will come right away up here, and I will say after saying style, I'll give it it's a p tag. I open the parentheses, sorry, these are the curly brackets, parentheses are different. I will say color, give it a color of aqua, and then I'll give it a font size of let's say 50 pixels, and then I'll give it a padding of let me say 20 pixels, and then I think that's okay. We go live and watch the magic. So this is it. Oh my god, so huge. We can reduce this font size to be 10 pixels. How is that? Oh, so small. 30. Okay, this is relatively okay. I can give it a black. Can leave it to maybe green. Sorry, green. So what happens is this is what we have, and I'll give a body as well, the entire body. I'll give it a background color. Background color of, say, can we say slate gray? Okay, slate gray. So the entire site will be slate gray, and then we shall proceed with let's insert an image. We see how this works. Inside this, scroll down, I'll create a div for the image. I just get my full stop on my PC or dot, I press enter, I create a div. We delete this, and then I can give this div width and height. I can say since I can't target just a div, I will give it inline. I'll say style, and I give it a width of 50 pixels and a height of also 50 pixels. So what happens is I will create an image. I give it a source. I'll say, what do we have? We don't have one. we can borrow one from the previous structure. We can take it here, then we can use this. Just put a slash, you'll get this image. So what happens is I'll go back to my style, and I will say this time I'm styling the image. I want you to note something. Every time we are styling using internal CSS, we are targeting tags, mostly targeting tags, the p tag, the img tag. So I'll give this a width of 100%. It will take up a width of the width of its mother, that is the parent, that is this div with 50 pixels. I expect it to fit in. Is it? Let's give it a background color and see. No, let's give it 500 pixels, width of 500 pixels. So this is what we have. We have our image here, and inside this image we can decide to style it further. I will create another div. I will create another div, and then in this div I'll give it style, and I can give it background. I'll give it a background color. Sorry, let me use this. I think I wanted an edge tag. I say maybe coming home, and then I will target this, and I say we have an h2, and in this h2 we have what do we have? Okay, I can give it a font family. I can say, let's see, the Sans Sego UI. Okay, we can check it out. Okay, this is it, and then we can proceed by giving it a color as well. Color, we can say blue violet. Is it color blue violet? Is it changing? Really? Can I refresh? Coming home. Is it an h2? Sorry, it's an h1. Oh, okay, h1, and it should change. Okay, the font has changed. Okay, so we can proceed. You can actually proceed with other tags using the inline styles. You can put other tags. You can decide to use anchor tags. Have I ever used an anchor tag here? Oh god, I can't say. In this div I have an anchor tag, and I say it's heading us to maybe the home, and in this anchor tag it's like home page. We can say home page, and when we head back we shall have this down here in the top corner. I'll give the entire body a padding. In the body I'll give it a padding of let me see, auto. Will auto work for us? Padding auto? Not really. I should give it padding of about 20 pixels. such that okay, I'll give it 50. Okay, this is okay. Padding of 50. We have this link here taking us to this page home, and I think this is good for us to go, but then I think I'll get time and I go through the different tags. We have very many tags. We shall be encountering different tags, but then a few here I can list. Maybe after the anchor tag we can as well style it, but then we have p tag, anchor tag, h2 tag, the image tag. We've got the list tag. I can say we have lists divided into two. We have the ordered list and the unordered list. If I say ul this and I say li, that's a list. I can say free one. I can say another li and I say free two. I want you to get the difference. We have the ol, the unordered list, and if I can say list, sorry, list one, I can say one li, and I can say this is two. So when we check it out, I want you to get the difference. So I think you see the first list gives us blades, the second list gives us numbers. By then I'll get time and we go through all this. I'll get time and make a video for only these, and I guess I did I talk about it in the first video? I don't know, I'll check it out. But then this is it for the external CSS, sorry, for the internal CSS. And whatever you do, just know you're always going to be using this. We shall head to our last CSS way of our third way of writing CSS, and at this point I will end this video and I pick it up in the next video that will be writing external CSS. Thank you for following. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and like the video, share the video. Thank you.